Lucas comes back home and sees Marcus walking outside the house, and Lucas thinks why Marcus is at the gate at night. Then Lucas meets Marcus and asks the reason for walking outside at the gate. And Marcus feels fat, so Marcus is walking outside, and Marcus also finds a note near the gate. And then Marcus also gets in the car, and Lucas thinks who left this note. And Marcus did not see who left this note, and Lucas asks Marcus what is written in this note, but Marcus did not read what is in this note and who is it about. And then Lucas and Marcus get out of the car, and Lucas thinks that maybe this note is from a neighbor. And then Lucas and Marcus start reading this note, and the note is from a neighbor, and the neighbor has written in the note that there is a haunted lake behind Lucas and Marcus' house and no one should go there. And after reading this note, Lucas and Marcus are surprised that since when has there been a haunted lake behind our house, and Lucas and Marcus do not know anything about it. And Lucas finds it hard to believe that there could be a haunted lake near the house. Then Marcus searches online about haunted lake, and Marcus gets to read amazing revelations about haunted lake online. And Marcus knows that there must be a lake behind the house, but that lake could be haunted, no one knows this. And Marcus wants to go there to check. But Lucas does not like Marcus' idea of going to the haunted lake, and Lucas does not want to go to the haunted lake. Then Marcus takes a bat and a lie, and Lucas and Marcus start walking to find the haunted lake, but according to Marcus the haunted lake is far away. And then Lucas and Marcus get into the razor and head towards the lake, and Lucas is also feeling scared, and then suddenly the razor turns off in the middle of the woods and it can't start. Then Lucas and Marcus start walking, and in the dark of the night Lucas and Marcus try to find the haunted lake in the middle of the woods, and Lucas and Marcus suddenly hear something. Then Lucas and Marcus move forward, and Marcus does not feel scared at all. Then Lucas and Marcus see some steps, and Lucas and Marcus are very close to a lake. Then suddenly they see feet and hands near the lake that are buried. Lucas and Marcus are shocked and worried to see whose body parts this could be. Then Lucas checks, and it turns out that it is Halloween. And then it turns out that Marcus has pranked Lucas and there is no haunted lake.